I present to you this wonderful opportunity, Nondon Apartments. Note that price increase will start and will take effect from 4th July 2024. So how will you get started? With an initial deposit of 30%, you can secure 1-bedroom or 2-bedroom apartment. So if you buy today, you're going to save 20 million naira if you could have bought next month. And you can spread the balance within the next 6 months. Note that the rental value of this apartment will start as low as 4 million to 15 million. So what are you going to benefit if you buy from Nondon Apartments? Remember, this is a luxury apartment, so you'll be getting 5 luxury floors.